Alright, first of all, I want you guys to know that I'm a complete amateur at all this, but I want to show you guys what I use to kind of measure my grade or my slope here. So this, I believe it's called a graduated level. So you hold it here at 0 is level. And if you tilt it down, it's going to show you how much slope you have. So let's see, let's zoom in here. So you have an eighth, a fourth, 3/8, or a half. So for instance, like 3/8, it's gonna be 3/8 of an inch every foot of drop. If it's an eighth, that's an eighth of an inch drop every foot. So I got my stake in there that's level with the edge of the sidewalk or the apron there. And then whatever point you're gonna measure, you drive another stake into the ground. Oops, lost her level. This just rides on the string here. One second. Let's show you guys how this thing works. So you'd have a stake, or you can hold it like this. You really want a stake though, and wrap it around tight so you can ride this level the whole way up the string and make sure it's the same all the way through. So you can see here, right there would be about level on my bricks. So about halfway up the top layer is going to be level. Now, drop this down a little bit, and you can see it go up. Now we're up to a quarter there. It's a 1/4 inch of fall every foot down to about the bottom of the top layer. So I'm going to be aiming for when the pavement gets put in to be like right here. So that'll be about an eighth of an inch of fall every foot, which will be enough for runoff. I'll show you another little trick I did here, so you could drive yourself a nice stake in somewhere and figure out how much you need to raise your gravel up. So here on a standpipe I have, this will get cut down eventually, but brought the string over here and measured where it's a 1/2 inch of fall every foot, 3/8, 1/4, an eighth, and then level. So you got about 4 inches here. That's going to be my pavement layer about right there. Well, actually here. So I need to bring the gravel up to like right at 3/8 or just above 3/8 so that I can have my layer of pavement and still have my eighth of an inch every foot of fall. So that's how you do that. If you have any questions about the string and level, let me know. It's really cheap, probably like, I don't know, $10 or $15 for maybe 20 bucks by the time you get some stakes, the level, and the string. But it's really important because you don't want to have reverse fall, or else you get runoff and then your rain's going into your building. You don't want that, or into your house.